let's unbox my latest delivery from Yarn Shop by Stay Alive. So I love this yarn. It's all yarn cakes, but they are custom made to every order. So you can choose any colour combination. But I was asked if I wanted to choose my own or if I wanted a surprise. And this is what I got sent. It's in my Froggity brand colours. Oh, let me see if I can do this one-handed. And I ordered a cake in these colours in 100% merino. But this is Woolcot. So Woolcot is a mix of cotton and merino. So you get the best of both worlds. Please just look on the side there. So this is a 4-ply yarn. So as you see, I did get this for free. This is a free sample that I was sent. So I can show it off to you. And aren't those colours just gorgeous? So this is the working strand. So it pulls out from the middle. I've had several cakes from Yarn Shop by Stay Alive, and I do promote her yarn because it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I have had a sample of Woolcot before, and I have used it before, and it is absolutely lovely to work with. Her merino, 100% merino, is absolutely gorgeous as well. So there are loads of colourways available on the website. I will link that below. But you can choose your own custom cakes, and they are ombre. So I can just pull out a strand there. So they change colour gradually as you work. So there you got a strand of pink in with the green. So the colours slowly merge together. So if you've used a sheepy's whirl, same thing. You get the fuzz buzzes as you go and as the colours gradually change. But it looks absolutely fantastic. So if you see my cherry blossom wrap pattern, that was made in the 100% merino. This is Woolcot. So I've just got the label. It's 20% merino and 80% cotton. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I adore my cotton yarn. So I cannot wait to use this. So this is 1,000 meters. And I'm actually planning on making a mandala for this, because if I stand back, this is my newly renovated workspace, and there's a big blank wall. I need to fill that wall in. And so I'm planning on making a mandala with this, because it is my brand colours, to hang on that wall and make it more like my business space, because this counter is where, some of my yarn lives, in these drawers. My cakes are elsewhere. This will be the next yarn that I use. But I did get some other goodies in the box. And here they are. These are all the different colours that Woolcot comes in. So these are the solids. Let me just pull these out. So here they all are. So this is my sampler pack for all the Woolcot yarns. And aren't they pretty? You can choose any combination of these to go in your yarn cake. And I believe you can choose up to 6 different colours to go into one cake. Now, I've tried coffee before, and I've got a lovely little pattern coming soon that was made with that. So I did have that as a free sample before, so that's nearly ready to go. And I believe that this cake is made with fuchsia, rose grey, cypresso, and anthracite. That one at the top, that's black. So I've got the 4 colours in this cake, but aren't these gorgeous? I've got to say, I love the emerald. Next time I order some Woolcot, I will try the emerald. So I don't get all my yarn for free from Yarn Shop by Stay Alive. She's very, very kindly made me this because it's a brand new yarn line for her. So it's a great way to order yarn from an independent yarn store based here in the UK but does ship internationally, because these yarns are beautiful to work with. And this being 80% cotton is right up my alley. I do love my cotton, but having the wool mixed in with it, the merino, it just makes it extra warm. So it's really nice to work with. It's got all the properties of cotton with just the extra warmth and softness of wool. So these are so nice. Oh. So tell me, what colour combination would you choose for your yarn cake? How many colours would you put together? Please let me know in the comments, because I would love to find out. And the link for Yarn Shop by Stay Alive is in the comments. So if you want to make up your own custom yarn cake where you get to choose the colours in the combinations you want, then check out that shop, because the wool is well worth it and the cakes are divine. And they actually come out to you within a couple of days. She's very, very quick at getting orders out, and fabulous customer service as well. Can't beat it. So there is my cake. I cannot wait to show you what I make with it and show off the mandala from my wall. But these cakes are such high quality, they are so, so worth it. And you get to custom design it any way you want.